Welcome guys to the HardReset.Info channel. In front of me is Logitech G915 TKL, and in this video I am going to show you how to add a game or app on this keyboard. Alright, so firstly, to do this we have to click on this icon in the left top corner, and here we have to open Games and Applications option. Now we have to click on Add a Game or Application, but also as you can see right here we have Counter-Strike or League of Legends on my device. So I'm going to click here, and for example I am going to add this app. Now we have to open, and right here we can create a profile of our app. So as you can see now this profile is active, and we can add a macro to this app or just some settings. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!